Okay, what you want to do, just one moment, I turn that down. To buy BNB, you need to, of course, log in to Binance. Once you log in, go to the basic. That's the easiest to use. And then go ahead over to here and go to BNB. Just type in yes, sorry, you need to go to BTC. Okay, it's been a little while since I've needed to buy some BNB because you don't use a heck of a lot of it. So I've only had to buy one lot, and I think from memory I bought about $40 worth of BNB. So that lasts for a long time to do your trading in and out of Bitcoin between Bitcoin to USDT, which is Tether. So, of course, you want to know how to buy BNB. That's what you would do. Click on that, like that. And you've already got Bitcoin. So then you've got to decide, do you want to put a limit order in for the price? So you've got to work out the price that you're willing to pay. If you're willing to pay market price, then of course you go ahead and do market price. There is stop limit. That's another thing. I would suggest either a limit order or market for buying BNB. If you really want to do stop limit, that's another level. I'm not 100% acquainted with that enough yet, but definitely a limit order or a market order. So of course market's going to buy at the price that it's now going at, but a limit order can come into play that if it's, say, close, it's been pretty close going up and down, then you can sort of say, okay, it's 5 minutes ago it was worth that, and then 10 minutes ago it was worth that. If you can see it going down, then it's up to you to decide whether you want to put a limit order to see if it would go down to that again, what you're willing to do. That's up to you, but if you just want to just get into some BNB right away, you use some of your Bitcoin. I think I only went about 25% of my Bitcoin so I just clicked on that, and okay, I cannot show you a figure here because all of my Bitcoin is in the marketplace at the moment. It's already been traded. So basically what you will have is a choice to put in a figure here, or you can put 25% in here and buy at market price. Okay, 25, 50, 75 or 100% of your Bitcoin into BNB. So hopefully that helps you. Let me know if you have any further questions.